So a few days ago I got a package in the mail and it is from Grassfield. I ordered some stuff online. This is the bag right here. It was shipped via FedEx. So if you guys don't know anything about Grassfields is a website that sells African outfit, African styled like Ankara print dresses, skirts, pants, tops, crop tops, everything. Like, it kind of puts like a modern flair, and I really have been wanting to try Grassfields, but the thing about Grassfields is that it was not in my budget. Honestly, it was not in my budget, but because of the whole COVID situation, they had like this huge sale. Everything was 50% off, so like everything I ordered was the price I would have paid if I had someone make me an outfit. I do have some actual pieces. I have some Aşewebi dresses. I've had some Ankara like fabric outfits before, so I'm not a stranger to this type of clothing. I love it. I love the print, I love the color, I love everything, so I figured why not support Grassfields. I believe majority of their proceeds are going to those who are affected by the pandemic in Cameroon and Nigeria, if I'm not mistaken. I did have a couple issues with my order. Some of my stuff was not available in the size that I wanted, so they gave me back my money. So customer service is really good. Let's get into the clothes. Okay, so the thing with Ankara is that like your clothes may not fit. It's custom fit to your body. These on the other hand are kind of like tailored to be generalized. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna let you know right now, Ankara does not have stretch. It has very, very minimal stretch. I think one of the dresses I have may have stretch, but let's go ahead and get into it. I just thought I would just say those few things before y'all go on the site and order. It took about 2 weeks for me to get these items. So I can't find my receipt right now, but I'm pretty sure they gave me a receipt. Like, I think I saw it. So this is the first dress I got, and what I really liked about this dress is the ruffling. I love the ruffles here. I think that's really, really pretty. It's a short dress. Now their dresses, they're either short, midi, or long, and this one does have a lot of stretch into it, so that's really, really good. So you really want to read the description of the dress you're getting, because some of them will not have stretch. Like my friend ordered and she's small and it still doesn't fit. The detailing, I mean, the quality is there. Like, this is a beautiful dress. It's just really, really pretty to me. I felt like I could wear this casually with sneakers, but I love the quality. First things first, like, Ankara is a really, really nice fabric that's going to hold up and last you. So I love that this has stretch, so I'm not too worried about it not fitting. It does look like it's gonna fit me pretty well. It does have a zipper here, so I'm not too worried about this outfit not fitting me. And if it's too big, then you know, that's the least of my problems. I can just get it taken in. But yeah, so this is dress number 1. So the dress is short, yes, but it's not short to where it's like, oh my god, why are you wearing that dress? I love the ruffles. I mean, each layer of ruffle is so pretty. I feel like my camera is not giving this outfit justice. Oh my god, look how pretty this dress is, y'all. This is so pretty when outside opens up. Where do I start? Okay, so what I will say is about the dress, the quality is amazing. I love the quality. I mean, it's just giving me love the quality. I love the fit. I love that there's stretch up here, so if you are bigger in the chest, you know, you have stretch. It does have a zipper somewhere on it. I can't remember where the zipper is. I think it's in the back. It's in the back or side, wherever. I wish the ruffle went down a little bit more, like here, maybe here, but it's kind of like you can see under. But the good thing about it is it's the same fabric under, so you can't really tell. Also, you're not getting any stretch in the hip area. You're not getting any stretch in the hip area. I don't know if you guys can see the seam right here. So between each ruffle there's a seam, and right here you don't get any stretch. So it's literally kind of sitting right, you know, like right here on me. It's not uncomfortable for me. It's not hugging me tight. Like, I can move around and everything in it, and I think the dress is so cute. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's such a beautiful dress. They have this one model on the Instagram. She sold this to me. Anytime she wore this royal blue color, it made me want it. Like, just seeing her in that dress just made me know I'll look like bomb in it. So I got the off the shoulder, I would call this like a rich royal blue dress. It comes with the belt attached to it, so you just can tighten your waist like that. Now this dress does look a little bit big. I believe I got this in a US size 8. I want y'all to see the quality. I want y'all to see the stitching. The stitching is immaculate. This is not no see-through fabric or anything like that. The statement is there. The color is there. Like everything is there. Like, love this dress. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one on, but so far just looking at it, I love it. Love the large sleeves. Like I said, stitching, fabric, quality, everything. Get this dress, just get it. Go ahead, click the link and buy the dress. Buy the dress. Like I said, got this, went up a size as well. Now I didn't know the dress was gonna come like one shoulder up, one shoulder down design, but I'm not mad at it. I'm always here to show a little shoulder, you know, show a little shoulder. If you pull the sleeve up, it would make this side uneven. So I would just leave it like that. You tie the waist in by yourself. I love how it comes out at the waist, so it's gonna give you a beautiful shape. The sleeve is really nice. I'm a dress person, so stuff like this really like excites me. So I went and purchased a crop top. I feel like the top looks kind of big off the front in the front, and I love like the cut of the top. I think it's really nice. I like wearing crop tops. I can see myself wearing this with like these high-waist jeans that I just got, that I'll show y'all in a second. I don't think I'm gonna link the jeans because I got the jeans in store, but that's what I wanted to pair this with. Hope it's not too big. Now this is also a US 8, UK size 12, I think. I'm not really sure, y'all. I gotta look at show y'all the detailing up close. I mean, the fabric, like, this is just amazing quality. I'm so happy they had this sale. But yeah, you get lining in the back, so it's not just one white. Y'all know how y'all buy certain fabrics like this from fast fashion, and it'll be like this, but the inside will be white and it looks like paper. Like, no, this is real nice material. So love the sleeves. Now looking at the sleeves do have some stretch right here, so that's always a plus. It's a real functional zipper in the front. So yeah, this is pretty much the outfit I planned on wearing. You know, like some bell-bottom jeans, the crop top. I think it's really cute. It's not doing too much, but it's doing just enough. It does have padding in it. Love that the sleeve has stretch here because it fits very comfortable on my arm. But it is falling off a bit here. But like I said, that's where like the versatility comes from. If you know how to like style stuff up, you can wear it off the shoulder like that, or you can put it on the shoulder, because it does have some space for me. It's not that big, y'all. That's how the back looks. So yeah, I do have space. Yes, I do. But once I actually put on a bra, you know, that's gonna push my chest up a little bit. So it's just up to you if you like space or not. I don't mind it. Like, I don't need the crop top like stuck to my skin like this. But like I said, because I gave myself space, I can get it taken in here if I wanted to, which honestly I probably won't, just so I feel more comfortable in the top. You know, this summer, it's hot right now. I might want that space. It's not too much extra fabric. This is how it looks in the back. There's no zipper or anything. Like I said, the zipper is real, so when you put this top on, you put it on like you would a bra. So if you want to zip it, unzip it a little bit and leave it open, you can do that as well. I love this. This is my last dress, y'all. This is a dress that I really wanted. I take my graduation pictures and I couldn't really find like orange and green Ankara, but you know, we try. But I did find this. I'm okay with this. It's more of like a green pink, but you know, whatever, I tried. So I really like the dress. I love the color, I love the pattern and everything. So this is gonna be the biggest size I got this in a size 10, y'all. I decided to get an 8, but then I was like, dang, if the 8 don't fit, let me get a 10, because people were saying it has no stretch, which I can see this dress has like no stretch in it. Love the print, I love the color, I love just the structure of everything about this dress. I love the back of the dress. We are serving back, y'all, back. So it does have like that same bottom as the blue dress, that comes out, so I feel like that's very flattering. It's short, but it's not as short as the blue dress, I think. So we're gonna try this one on. Okay, all right, so let's get into this dress. It's potentially my grad picture dress, so if y'all see this dress again, it'll be on the gram sometime in the summer, maybe whenever I feel like dropping the heat on the gram. So I do have a lot of space in this dress. I think an 8 would have been perfect for me. And, oh, by the way, for reference, normally I'm a 6. So just off the bat, I love the color, I love the dress, I love the sleeves. I might not get the sleeves altered too much, but they will have to be taken in because it's just like, it's kind of a little too big for my wrist. I don't want it super tight on my wrist, but I do want it to be brought in a bit. And I might keep the sleeves puffy. I don't know. Like I might keep the sleeves big, like this size. The waist, this is the thing. The waist fits me perfectly. It's not too tight on my chest. You also get like the dart, I don't know what they call it here, like darts in this area. Actually kind of lightweight, so it's not heavy. It's a good, nice material, but it's not like heavy. I love the length of the dress, and for like graduation pictures, I will say I don't want a dress that's too short, but I could, if I wanted to, get the waist snatched a little bit, or at least bring the hips in a bit so the dress can come out more. Anything under. So unlike the other dresses, this dress actually has something under it. It has like a net fabric and then a slip under, I guess, to help it keep that shape, to help it protrude out more. So I think that's really, really pretty. Like as y'all can see, like they put the fabric, the clothing, everything is worth the money. If y'all know anything about getting Ankara fabric outfits, they're very costly. All this stuff cost me like $160 minus the return that I got for the dress that they didn't have. All this cost me $160. I'm done showing you guys like the clothing, the dresses and everything. I want to show you guys 2 pairs of shoes I got. I got these shoes from a shoe store here in Tallahassee earlier in the year, and there's some really pretty like rhinestone. I felt like, you know, you don't always want to wear heels all day. I can throw these on and it looks just as good. So I felt like these would go good with all of these outfits and some of the outfits I currently have. I feel like it's a nice touch. And these were maybe $20 at the store. I think I got them on sale. I can't remember, but I really love the beading. It's by a brand called Ziggo Soho. So I do want to show you guys these shoes that I may possibly wear. Like when I wear these, if y'all worrying about shoes, like I may wear these when I wear some of these dresses, or like some of the outfits I'll show you guys. It's not that I'm always wearing heels, but I do like a good pretty flat. So I may wear these with this dress, but I had another idea for a pair of shoes, but I just want to show you guys these as well, because these are a pair that you can pretty much wear with anything. Doesn't matter the print. I feel like a good clear pair or a nice black pair of heels. I'll leave a black pair down below. These are also from the same shoe store, but they're from the brand Cape Robin, and they're so comfortable. If y'all look at like how the shoe slants, it kind of slants downward, so it's more comfortable for your feet. I get a nice thick heel, a nice point right there. It has padding all up in the shoe, so for the most part, like these are a really nice standard shoe. So you know, and then the strap like comes up and wraps around your ankle. I'll leave these down below in the description box if you guys need like shoe inspo. I would stick to neutral colors. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up if you enjoy my try on hauls. Grassfields, if y'all ever want to sponsor your girl, hit me up, slide in my DMs. I'm here for you guys, and I will definitely be ordering more things from Grassfields. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video.